Hello, curl friends and guys. Welcome back to the channel, The Silver Crown. If this is your first time coming, thank you so much. We're glad you're here. We hope you'll contribute to the channel by lending any information that you have that can help the rest of us along in our natural hair journey. Anyway, today I want to talk about a little bit about what I'm doing, what you may want to do, and what you are doing to help your hair to grow and stay healthy and all that good stuff. So I will be right back with that. So the warm weather is upon us. We're in the springtime now, here in Oklahoma anyway. We just had a terrible storm went through yesterday, but all is well, all is well. I hope all is well where you guys are. So I want to talk a little bit about some of the things that we can do to help our hair to grow healthy and strong. Of course, if you have medical issues, or taking medication that affects the growth of your hair, this may not work for you. You may have to consult with a trichologist or someone that specializes in hair growth in order to remedy that problem. But for those of you who do not have medical conditions, this is what I would suggest. Number one, healthy food. Now I know. Healthy eating is really a matter of discretion. And the reason I say that is because it is such a broad topic. You know, we can get into the whole thing of to meat or not to meat. That is the question. Some people eat meat, some people don't. Some people are vegan. They don't eat any animal products whatsoever. Some are vegetarian, and, you know, it's just all different kinds of diets and things out there. So whatever works for you, you need to have the minerals and the vitamins that come from fruits and vegetables, and you need protein. You have to have protein. I'm not sure that vegetable protein is all that you're going to need, but you can look into that in regard to your own diet and whatever all you're doing for your own overall health. Just check into that and get better at it. Number two, hydration. I know. Drinking water is a discipline for some people. It is a discipline for me. I am really not drinking as much water as I probably should. However, I am drinking some. So, but not just, you know, sometimes we approach things from the external. In other words, you know, they've got this maximum hydration method thing that I've seen going all over the internet for a while. And, you know, it's really just wetting your hair, and putting all this stuff in your hair to help lock in moisture, which you do need to do. But the problem with that is if you're not hydrating, if you're dehydrated on the inside, your hair is going to be dry and dull and brittle. It's just that simple. So you need to make sure that you're taking in the right amount of liquid, especially during the warmer months of the year, where you lose a lot of liquid through sweat and urination. Hydration. Drink plenty of fluids. It's a discipline. You have to start, though. You know, it'll really help your hair out. Number three, supplements. If you know that you're not getting the right amount of nutrition in your food, you need magnesium, you need iron, there's things that you need just to keep you breathing and healthy and alive and to keep your hair alive, although it's dead, if you get what I'm saying. Anyway, you might need supplements. So it doesn't hurt to take them. Find a good supplement, which is not necessarily a name brand. Let me just say that, okay? Just because something's been around a long time doesn't mean it is what they say it is. It doesn't mean it has everything in it that they say it has in it. So that's a whole nother issue. But anyway, supplements. Find yourself a good supplement, especially if you know you're not taking in the nutrition through your everyday food that you need to. Maybe you have a very hectic life and you're on the run all the time. So you're going to need to supplement that somehow. Number 4, try your best to eliminate stress. Eliminate stress. Eliminate people out of your life that are causing you stress. Find a place where you can go where there is no stress. I spend a lot of time in my backyard with my vegetables and my chickens because it's quiet back there. There's no stress. I don't have to make any decisions. I don't have to listen to anyone talk. I don't have to deal with any of that. So some people go to the gym. That's good too. Which brings me to number 5. It's number 4A. Let's just say. Some people go to the gym in the way of eliminating stress. Some people do kickboxing. Some people play tennis. Whatever it is that you do that can get your mind off of the things that are very troublesome to you or dragging you down or making you depressed or any of those things, because depression triggers hormones in our bodies, especially women, that can cause hair loss. Get rid of the stress. Get rid of the stress. If you want to lose hair, stay stressed out. Anyhow, I'm just saying. So eliminate stress however you can. Make sure you're getting the proper amount of sleep. Not everybody requires 8 hours of sleep. Some people are fine with 6 hours of sleep. Some people need about 9 hours of sleep. Don't listen. Listen. The medical experts don't always know what they're talking about. Trust me, okay? Listen to your body. If you need to rest, take the rest. If you need to sleep, go to sleep. And some of you may say, well, I can't do that. I have small kids. Whatever. You're going to have to carve out time to get the right amount of rest, or your hormones are going to be all messed up, which is going to mess up your hair, which is going to mess up your overall health. And then what's it all for, right? Number 5, my last point that I wanted to make today. You may not want to, but it might be about that time, not necessarily to do a big chop or even a medium chop, but I know for me, it's about time for me to trim my ends. When they become frayed and straggly and all that, my hair starts to shed a lot, and I've noticed over the last couple of weeks. Now, also, I haven't been wetting it as often or moisturizing as often as I usually do because I've been really, really busy. But I have noticed that the ends of my hair are somewhat frayed, and unfortunately, I just got to the 10.5-inch mark. I'm almost at where I was when I first went natural, which was my hair was 12 inches. But half of that was relaxed hair. So now it's grown out to 10.5 inches, and I had cut it down to 5. So I'm a little over 2 years into this, a little over 1 year from when I chopped my hair. But it's been about 2 years and some months when I just stopped relaxing and I stopped putting color in my hair and all that. But so I'm at 10.5 inches. I don't want to cut my hair, but I'm going to need to trim it if I want it to keep growing and not splitting all the way up the hair shaft. So just a quick review. Eat healthy. Whatever that means to you, do that and be disciplined about it. Number 2, hydration, hydration, hydration. Make sure your hair is hydrated and that your body is hydrated. If your lips are chapped, if they are dry, you are dehydrated. That is a sure sign that you need more fluid in your body. Number 3, supplements. Find a good multivitamin that will help supplement any deficiencies that you have in your diet because you're on the go. Number 4, eliminate stress. Get rid of stress. Carve out some time for yourself where it's quiet. Read your Bible, whatever it is you do. And pray, do whatever you need to do to eliminate stress. And lastly, trim your broken and frayed ends. It will help keep your hair healthy and keep it from snapping off and shedding a lot, especially in the drier months. So that's all I wanted to share with you for today. Do those things. Start today. Let me know how it's going for you. Leave your comments below. Make sure that you like and leave your comments. Like the video. Thumbs up it if you like my channel. And I will see you the next time I come on. Keep it natural.